Alright, my friends, good day to all supporters and all friends in YouTube land. This is Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV coming to you. Yes, today, yes, I am in my cooking lab. Today, I will be creating, yes, a new recipe here today. I'll be doing creamy, yes, garlic baked chicken quarters. Yes, creamy garlic baked chicken quarters. So these are the chicken quarters right here. Alright. And those are the ingredients. I have garlic, carrots, onion scallion, some tomatoes, and some bell peppers. Yes, and the cheese. Yes, the cheese will be the creamy. Yes, and this will be the container. One of the containers I'll be using today. Yes, to do the chicken in the oven. You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So without further ado, let me get this chicken seasoned up, and ready to go in the oven. I'm going to be putting some salt, yes, on the chicken. Yes. It's the sea salt that I'm using. Sea salt, alright? Alright. I'm going to get some onion powder. I'm going to get some garlic powder. Lots of garlic. You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, this is my black pepper. So I'm going to get some black pepper sprinkled onto the chicken. You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. This black pepper is true. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of color to the outside of the skin of the chicken. Yes. That's like number one. I'm going to baste the chicken with some olive oil. I'm going to baste the chicken with some olive oil. Because the chicken has a lot of oil already in the chicken quarters, so yes, it will produce lots and some. All right, now I'm going to add some garlic. Sprinkle some garlic over the chicken. cut small enough. It'll work with them anyway. Yes, would have been better if they were minced up much finer. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Right, I'm gonna add some thyme. Yes, some thyme leaves. Sprinkle red. Just drop this in. And yes, more thyme leaves. Drop it in. Some rosemary. Oh, it's rosemary. I get confused between rosemary and sage. So yes. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the scallion onion over it. It's just for now. Alright, that's what I'm doing. That's all I'm putting for now. Until they're near cooking, then I'm going to add everything else in and the final stage. Alright, you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. So I'll be doing creamy baked chicken today in the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright. They are ready for the oven. Yes, they're not cooked yet, my friend. They look like they're cooked already. They look delicious right now, and they're not cooked. Yes, they're not cooked as yet. Yes, they're getting ready to go in the oven right now. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. I'll be doing garlic baked chicken today in the oven on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV in my cooking lab on the YouTube platform. Container number 1. Yes, because I'm doing chicken quarters, and chicken quarters are very big. So it's 4 and 4 using 2 different cooking vessels. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. You're in my cooking lab here today. Yes, so that's the cheese that will be going on the chicken. Yes, and along with these other ingredients, the carrots, onions, scallion, onions, tomatoes, and bell peppers and hot pepper. Yes. Some sauce to help to cook the chicken. Yes. And I'm going to add all the seasoning. So the next time I go in the oven, it will be the cheese that will be going on top of the chicken. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. You're in my cooking lab. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Yes, today in my cooking lab I'm doing, creamy baked garlic chicken, alright? So now, well, sprinkle my cheese, my grated cheese. That's over the chicken. That's my grated cheese. Yes, I'll cover the chicken. So it's now in the finishing stage. Chicken is cooked. Yes, I tested it, not tasted, tested. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So that is my creamy garlic baked chicken, and you're seeing this on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Alright, so I'll put it back in for the next 15 minutes, and that's it. Then the show will be over. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Yes, this is the outcome of my creamy garlic baked chicken. Yes, creamy garlic Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery. There you have it. This is my creamy garlic baked chicken. Yes, done today in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Yes. Section and tell me what you think of my creation here today on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Today I did creamy garlic baked chicken. Just